Okay, welcome back to SBK LOCO. Today we're going to do an absolutely detailed breakdown of inside and outside turns. So let's do this. First, I'm going to tell you about all the things that you don't want to do. I often see leaders or some of my students, when they're doing inside turns, they sort of do this motion to try to turn the girl, or when you're going for a turn, inside or outside turn, you want the follower to pass you first. If I turn her before, we'll end up doing a hug. Actually, what's going to happen is that she's going to be feeling claustrophobic because you're still in her way. So you want her to pass you when you're making the spin. 1, 2, 3, pass, 5, 6, and 7. And 1. I think it's just physics. When the girl passes you, it's a lot easier for her to finish the turn, as opposed to if I start the turn here, boom, she feels a little bit claustrophobic because I'm still in the way. I'm going to break that down in super detail, okay? So let's go. On 1, 2, 3, I'm just going to open up and create the space. 1, 2, 3. Now here on 5, I want her to do it inside turn, so towards me. So I'm actually going to go to the opposite, opening up 5. As you can see, I'm opening her frame up. Quick, and slow. 7, we want to hold the follower, not just 7 and 1, 2, 3, sorry. Go. 1, 2, 3, opening her frame up. 5, 6, and 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So one of the things I want you guys to note is when you're leading the follower, so for example, if you're there, you need to use quick, slow. So quick, slow, quick, slow, and quick, slow, quick, slow. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Okay, so after the inside turn, we're going to go directly to an outside turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. On 1, I'm going to grab her shoulder. 1, 2, 3. The same thing is going to apply. I'm going to bring her frame towards me and release her. 5, 6, and 7. So always the opposite prep. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Grabbing the shoulder. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, my shoulders are going, I'm giving her an extra signal. I'm not just doing U-turn. I'm going with my body. 3, sending her out. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So there are many ways to do outside turns. The easiest one is just the two-hand one, which is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Watch that again in slow motion. 1, 2, 3. Okay, as you can see, my hand is near the forehead. Not up here, not out there. Okay, so one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And quick, slow. Quick, slow. And quick, slow. Again, we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So when you're dancing and when you're practicing, you're going to want to go back to back. One thing I want to note here is that leaders really need to focus on leading with their body. So I'm going to show you how to practice this without a partner. So I know a lot of my viewers watch these videos by themselves, and that's totally okay. When I first started practicing salsa, I also had no partner. So I'm going to teach you how to lead this with no follower. And we go basic first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to open up. Now I'm going to prep the follower to the outside. 5, 6, and 7. On 7, I want to follow the follower. It's very important to take a 7 facing your partner, okay? So one more time. You don't want to do like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and be back here. You want to be near your follower so she's not so far away from you. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. And 1, 2, 3. One more time. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. 1, 2, 3, and okay, so now I'm going to show you the follower's footwork, okay, just by itself. Stepping back on 1. 1, 2, 3. On 5, prepping out. 5. 6, back to the leader on 7. Now landing 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. We watch this from this angle. I'm going to show you a big mistake I often see followers make. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. And what they usually end up doing is 1, 2, 3, and back. So you want to make sure that when you do your 1, you leave your foot here, rotating and coming back. Okay, watch that again, faster. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Okay? Subscribe. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, I think we're done.